how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. And I'm here with the new topic, clauses. Ready, hands up? Let's begin. Let's have a look on definition. A clause is a group of words that form part of a sentence and may or may not have a subject or a predicate of its own. Example देखिए, चंचल is a girl who is very naughty. तो यहाँ आप highlighted part देख रहे हैं, who is very naughty. In the given sentence, the group of words who is very naughty has a finite verb is and a subject who is called a clause. Note कीजिए बच्चों, a clause has only one finite verb. Okay? Types of clauses, principal clause, which is main clause, subordinate clause and coordinate clause. Principal clause, which is main clause, is an independent clause that can stand alone as a sentence and it is also known as main clause. Example देखिए, I'll call you, ये आपस में खुद में independent है ना? इसको ज़रूरत नहीं है किसी और sentence की, but I'll call you when I reach home, right? हमारी principal clause हुई, I'll call you. In the above sentence, I'll call you is a principal clause as it is making a sentence alone. Subordinate clause, a clause that cannot stand alone as a complete sentence and depends on the main clause. To complete its meaning is called the subordinate clause. Example देखिए, I went to the store because I needed bread. Subordinate clause, because I needed bread cannot complete without I went to the store. Right? Okay. In the above sentence, because I needed bread is subordinate clause because it depends upon the main clause, I went to the store. Now we have coordinate clause. A clause that is joined by coordinating conjunctions is called coordinate clause. Example, it stopped raining and we went out to play. Coordinate clause हो गई and we went out to play. In the above sentence, and we went out to play is a coordinate clause as it is joined by using coordinating conjunction and. Note down कीजिए बच्चों, subordinate clauses often begin with subordinating conjunctions like while, when, since, as, if, unless, etc. Coordinate clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions like and, but, for, or, also, either, or, neither, nor. There are three types of subordinate clauses such as noun clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. Noun clause, this is a clause that performs the function of a noun, is a noun clause and it is an answer to what? Example, I know that you are intelligent. In the above sentence, the clause answer the question, know what? It means that it is acting as the object of the verb know and doing the work of a noun. Therefore, we can say that the clause is a noun clause and the noun clause as can function as a subject of a verb. Example, all that he said was agreed to by all. Noun clause as the subject of the verb was an object to a verb. Example, I knew where I could find him. Noun clause as the object of the verb knew. An object of an infinitive or participle. Example, I am glad to know that you have topped the class and noun clause as the object to infinitive to. Adjective clause. A clause that does the work of an adjective in a sentence is an adjective clause. It qualifies a noun as a pronoun before it. Example देखिए, this is the boy who stole my pen. The group of words who stole my pen is a clause since it has the subject who. A finite verb stole, it acts as an adjective and it describes the noun boy and is called an adjective clause. An adjective clause may qualify the subject of the principal clause. Example, the student who abused me. जिसने मुझे गाली दी, student who abused me. यहाँ पर आपको पता चल रहा है कि किसने दिया? was punished. उसने जो मुझे गाली दे रहा था उसको पनिश किया गया. Right? The object of the principal clause, example, God help those who help themselves. A noun or pronoun which is the complement of the verb, example, she is the girl who dances very well. Now let's look at the adverb clause. A clause that does the work of an adverb is called an adverb clause. Example, Maggie looked as if she had sent a ghost. The group of words as if she had seen seen a ghost is a clause since it has subject Maggie and a finite verb seen. It tells us more about the verb looked. It performed the role of an adverb. Therefore, we can say it an adverb clause. It can modify a verb, strike the iron when it is hot. An adjective, he is cleverer than I thought. An adverb, she ran so fast that soon she caught the bus. Okay, I hope आपको बहुत अच्छे से चैप्टर में समझ में आई हुई इंफॉर्मेशन और बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स भी थे आपके लिए. तो एग्जाम्पल्स के थ्रू भी आपने समझा होगा और उसी के बेसिस पर आप एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. तो रेडी हैं आप पेंसिल के साथ? चलिए. A part, underline the noun clauses in the following sentences. One has been done for you. And in B part, underline the adjective clauses in the following and write the nouns and pronouns they describe. तो ये भी nouns and pronouns भी आपको लिखने. One has been done as an example. Example जरूर देखिएगा. C part, identify the adverb clauses in the following sentences. ठीक है, करिए इन्हें और करते समय बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं लेनी. Have fun. Enjoy.